Okay, this video going to show you how to use the column setting for the location. Now come to the location. Okay, for example, what I want to do is put the facts column to here and then hide the font one column. So what I need to do is click the column setting, click the font one. Okay, and then drag and drop the column. Okay, I can adjust the width. Okay, expand out the. So after that, I just click again, column setting, save layout. That's it. Finish. Click OK. All you need to do, navigate out from this page. Hamburger, setup, location. Okay. See, the facts is here. That's it.